Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python predefined functions, absolute function, all function, bin function. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So functions are indented block of code which are used to perform some task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the function. A function, it is used to divide a big program or a large program into small modules. Technically, it is called as modular programming. The function is defined once in a program and called or reused any number of times. A function eliminates repetition of code in a program and saves wastage of memory in a program. So basically, functions are of two types. First one, predefined functions, which come with predefined modules in Python software. Example, print function, range function, input function, etc. Second one, user-defined functions. So these functions are defined by the developer or user as per the requirement in a program. So now coming to some predefined functions which are available with Python software. First one, absolute value of an integer, float, or complex. So it gives absolute value or the positive value of a given number for integer, float, and for a complex number it just gives the magnitude. So absolute of minus 10, minus 5.6, minus 10.5, minus 6.5j. So here all iterable objects accepts iterable object. Okay, right? So coming to the all functions, it accepts iterable object as input parameter like list, dictionary. So here this function it gives true if all the values in collection are true. If any one of the values false, it returns false. And next, if the iterable object is empty, okay, then it gives true. Okay, right. So for example, if you see here, I have a list with three values 11, 22, 33. So all of list 1. So it returns true or false. Now coming to the binary function, it gives corresponding binary value of a given decimal integer, octal integer, or hexadecimal integer. So for example, binary of 10, you will get 0B1010. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python functions example 11. So let us take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So let us start with absolute function. So x is equals to minus 10, absolute of x. X is equals to minus 5.6, absolute of x. X is equals to minus 10.5 minus 6.5j, absolute of x. So let us execute these three absolute functions. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run it. So Python functions example 11. So we got 10, 5.6, and this is the magnitude of that complex number. So next coming to, so generally absolute means it is the positive of a given number. And here you will get the magnitude as the positive number, which is 12.34. Okay, so minus 10, 10 minus 5.6, it is 5.6 integer float. So next, print empty, you'll get one empty line, and then let us execute. Yeah, so I'm containing list 1 with 3 values 11, 22, 33. So print all of list 1. So all are true values, so you'll get the answer as true. Next, list 1 11, 22, 0. So one value is 0, which means false. All of list 1, answer is false. So list 1 is empty, print all of list 1. Okay, right, so we got the answer as true, false, true. So for empty iterable object, list, tuple, dictionary, or range, okay, all function will give true for empty iterable object. So if any one of them is 0 or false, you will get the answer as false. If all are true, then only the answer is true. So now coming to binary function. So I'm taking one empty print which prints an empty line. So binary of 10, 1010, it will be prefixed with 0b. So binary of 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you will get the binary value of that. So binary, okay, of 0x hexadecimal number 1AE, you will get the corresponding binary values. So these are the corresponding binary values for 10, octal value 123, hexadecimal value 2AE, and all three are prefixed with 0B. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to work with predefined functions, absolute, all, and binary. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.